Guys, it's Jen from Rustic Rehabs. We're here at the Goodwill in Menomonee Falls. Let's see what we can find for some great items to flip on this kind of gloomy day. I bought this cute little chair frame and then I dropped it and broke the leg off and haven't been able to find it since. How crazy is that? I love this canvas. I've bought it before and I know it'll sell quick. I got it for 12 bucks. I painted this black and distressed it, cleaned it up, and this little cutie sold this weekend at our Chris Kindle market. Every year in December, my town does a lot of events, and this weekend was one of our biggest ones, and we had a really good time. We still got several days to panic shop for Christmas, so come on in this week and see me. This mirror and this canvas ended up to be a really good match, and I love this Santa. I think I'm going to paint the mirror, actually, but when I set them down together, Crystal saw them and was like, oh, they look so good together. We'll see what happens. These I started upcycling on a live earlier this week. I think it was Thursday night. Here's what one of those looks like. These are great canvases to turn into some new art. So cute. DIY liquid patina, Royce paper, and glitter. I'm not buying a lot of signs anymore, but I did think this was a really good message for anyone, so I picked it up. For me, it's time to start thinking about the next season, so I'm looking for spring. This kind of caught my eye, but as I was looking, a young gal saw me grab this, and she actually wanted it, and she ended up buying this cross stitch. So I was happy for her. It was very cute. Then I found these duck napkin rings, which will be cute for spring, and a cute copper lamp that I put a really cool shade on. Check out how that looks. This little mom step stool caught my eye, but then I saw this really cool carved shelf from Hobby Lobby, and it was only $5. So I cleaned it up, and now it is holding my Menomonee Falls signs. This little mirror is perfect to put jewelry and perfume stuff like that on, so that was a good find. This I turned into a mug rack to hang all of our different coffee cups in our shipping room, and I love it there. I've been looking for one sort of like this for weeks. We used Royce's corrugated metal paper and flipped this live on Thursday night. Check out how good it looks. We didn't even paint this one. We just used the paper. I bought this tray to work on my laptop when I sit on the couch. It's been sitting in my car ever since. It's been a busy week, so I'm going to have to pull that out and get to work. Thinking spring, I love all things with bikes. They sell well, and so I'll put a plant or a flower in this and it'll be a good find. I think it was $4. And I think I've had this bike or something like it before, so this is listed already on our website if you're interested. It is put in the back because we're covered in Christmas still. I thought this could look cool painted gold, but it had some damage and it was missing some parts. So I think it's a candle holder, but I was trying to figure out, and then I saw that there was feet or something missing on it. So we did a pass on this. This little sign about sleep sold yesterday, and I really feel this way today. People say I'm Energizer Bunny-like. I'm not feeling it today. Somebody needs to come make me some breakfast. I like the shape of this. This had a bad paint job, and I have a lot of vases, so we're going to leave it there. The Christmas at this Goodwill this year has been really slim pickings, but I'm pretty much done, so it's okay. This ceramic cat looked cute and like it could be collectible, but I decided to leave it. These metal candlesticks were $5 each, which isn't a bad pick. I have 3 black candlesticks that I need to sell already, so I passed on them. These were kind of cute for winter, but they were plastic and felt really cheap. We spent $64 and some things that I just love and found homes for other people to love on these things. We've got a great deal with gift cards. If you buy $50, I'll send you an extra 10, and if you buy 100, I'll give you an extra 20. We've also got great gifts like these tins from the Sugar Sunflower Bakery that are left, and these amazing Christmas pyramids that are of German inspiration. We've still got some Bob Ross ornaments left, this cute little German drinking Santa. I finished some jewelry boxes this week that would make great gifts. And we added a bunch of these Thomas Piccone hand-blown ornaments to a tree. They're on the website, all individually priced. If you are a collector, these are a great deal. And if you haven't seen my video from last week about a breast cancer survivor, please give it a watch. It's a good one. Stop in this week for a make and take. I will see you again soon.